Yo.
Hey y'all, hey, it's time for another video today. It is about time I came to show y'all my hair update. Boy, this hair is sick. And I'm so excited to share with you guys my new regimen. I hope that you guys want to see it. If so, keep watching. Yes, girl, give it to them. Like, I'm sure that the people that have been following me are going to be like, bitch, because I used to wet my hair every single day. Now, the gag is that I would go to the girl that would cut my hair and show her pictures of how I wanted my hair, and she would say,
Trini, that's how your hair's cut.
I was like, but it's not looking like that. She said, well, you wet it every day. And I'm like, you're not supposed to wet your hair? Here's my hair regimen. What I do now, I do not wash my hair for a whole week. Whoa. And I just literally every day pick it out. So I'm just going to show you guys my hair over the course of the days so you can see how my hair looks, the texture changes, all that good stuff, and how big it gets. It's so crazy how I love big hair, but I never had it. But I actually have very thick hair. So anyway, I'm gabbing, talking, whatever. So this is what I started off with. I actually co-washed my hair with this. Let me tell you something. These Aussie products, biz naive, don't say I ain't tell you, I warn you. You will ball on the budget with these things, for real. And I did a deep conditioner. I did the 3-minute Miracle Curl. Shout out to Quay Canary Diamond. She's the one that got me on these, and I love them. When I am deep conditioning my hair, I still use the Mix Chicks deep conditioning. Like if I don't, whatever. And then sometimes I'll use the 3-minute and do it like overnight. So without further ado, let me tell you guys what I did off camera. I've already did both of those, and now I actually have this in my hair. I have about a golf ball size. I had to think of the ball. I have like a golf ball size, a little bit less, because that's a lot. But I have about a golf ball size in my, not really a golf ball. What's smaller than a golf ball? Look, I got like about this much. I got this in my hair. So the key to this, I do not use a lot of product because of course I want my hair to go up. My new bae, thanks to Off With Her Hair Salon, because I was there and I needed something. Y'all, this right here, Camille Rose Honey Hydrate, my hair be like smooth operator. I'm like, Sade, you ain't got nothing on me, girl. Oh, girl, you don't want it. It's nobody in there. Anyway, so it's this. Bomb diggity. And shout out to my friend Aris, because she told me about this Taliah Waajid. I guess that's what he said. So I also now use this. And this is a really good product too. So, and then y'all come on, Bath and Body Works little bottles. My mom be recycling these bottles. She like, you can use them for something else, and she right. So I actually do my oil concoction. This oil actually contains olive oil, coconut oil, vegetable glycerin, almond oil, peppermint oil, castor oil, black castor oil. I think that's it. I don't think I put jojoba in this one, but usually I'll just drop a couple of jojobas. Come on, jojobas. Anyway, okay, so without further ado, we're gonna get started. So this is my hair with just the conditioner in it. Now, the crazy thing is, again, those that have been watching, my hair never started curling back like it used to after the last time I got my hair straightened. That was about a good 5 years ago. Okay? And I've cut my hair. I don't know. I don't know what happened. I think it just, whatever. But this is my hair. I mean, it's still curl. It still do what it do. But it definitely, the texture has changed. And it could have been when I got sick too. I could be making stuff up. Whatever. All right. So, here we go. Oh my God, I shamefully still use my ugly, nasty brush that I got at birth. But I don't care. I use it. It works. And I still use Eco Styler. I was told not to use this no more, but forget you. This will hold my size down. Everybody just shut up and enjoy it. See? Middle finger. And I know some of you guys are wondering why I was told not to use it. And it's because it flakes after a couple of days. But, psh, man, y'all don't be seeing that smooth operated them first 2 days, though. So I'm blood, I'm Crip. I'm blood, I'm Crip. I'm gonna be a blood today. So what? I'm just kidding. I ain't no gangbanger. They were just 99 cents at Walmart. Please don't shoot me in the toe. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm actually tying my hair up. Now, ideally, I should be tying my hair up at night because my hair is too curly for this, and I only work 11 minutes away. So that is not enough time to keep my hair tied up because by the time I get to work, my hair actually flips back up. But respectfully, my job, no, I don't care about them like that. So when I'm really going somewhere, I will tie my hair down like this for at least 30 minutes. So all I do is just kind of flip my hair down and tie it underneath. Come on back up, girl. They can't see what you're doing, child. You down there welcome back. So yeah, I tied. Damn, you trying to take your brain out, Trin? What's up? But yeah, I'll tie it like that, though. Seriously, make sure them good old little cyber. Where'd she go, y'all? Where'd she go? Oh, she is me. Hold on. All right, so that's day one. This is what I do. And my new regimen is that on Thursdays, I will wash my hair. Now, see, I got a job where I really don't care if I walk in here looking like a wet dog, because this is what I used to wear my hair like for the last 3 years anyway. So I'll go to work with my hair like this. I usually, if I can, I like to let my hair air dry all the way overnight. Now, I have some stuff to do, so I won't be able to do that. I'll have to send it to the dryer later or use my blow dryer. But whatever I do, I'll make sure to come back so you guys can see. See you soon. I'm back, y'all. What's up? I told y'all I had some places to go and some things to do. When I got home, I did have to sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes because I do need to pull my hair out. And y'all know the rule of thumb, when you're pulling out your hair, you cannot do it when it's wet or you're going to have a little puff ball, like a little cotton ball. That's what you're going to look like, a damn cotton ball. But, so my hair is pretty much dry, but if I wouldn't have done that, it would have taken my hair overnight to dry. My hair literally takes an entire day. My short hair takes one entire day to dry. I told you I got thick hair, and then whatever. Y'all be having all them terms and y'all be dropping stuff in the water and I ain't got time. I ain't got time. My hair start falling out, I'm like, oh, I can't use that. So, not right now. Without further ado, I just got this oil sheen, so the verdict is still out because it seems to be kind of heavy. And so I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I did use a different conditioner last time. So we're going to see how this will work. It is the Cantu oil sheen. It has deep conditioning spray and with shea butter. So you want to focus on my face, girl. You better focus on this though. So I tie my hair up. Now remember all those bobby pins I put in my hair. I do pull those out, of course, before I get the spray in. Out. I got them. Listen, Linda's. I got them everywhere in my hair. But I'm just going to show you guys my hair dry. So I'm not going to do much of this because I just did my hair. Honestly, I really don't need this. I'm going to just do it because I've already told you guys about it. But that just shows you. Can you see how? So it's very oily, very oily. So If you do get this or you do have it, I would say use it sparingly. But I like it. It's just, again, you got to use it. Watch it now, okay? So when I first became natural, I got fussed at because they said, "Don't be using no doggone metal puppet." Heard y'all, I don't use it anymore. So this is my boo. She probably, look, she got all kind of stuff in her. But, so all I'm doing is I'm just simply going to be lifting my roots. All right. Because it's the first day, I actually still put the bobby pins back in it because, yeah, I just do. It works for me, but I only put the bobby pins in the front, okay? Yeah. Girl, this shit about to kill him. Alright, hold on. I need to see what this back doing because I feel like something is weird right here. Hold on. This cut sick. You know this cut sick. Don't play. Anyway, I will be back with day 2 so you guys can see just the progression of how it gets.
I cannot believe I've been walking around here like a wet puppy all these years and ain't nobody telling me nothing.